Warning: the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Another McLaren. What is good with you guys? We are back at it with another banger. Well, you already know I'm running a little late as always. We were supposed to originally leave at 8:30. It's probably like 8:40 right now. I'm about to go pick up Dame and then meet up with the guys, and we're going to Cars and Ice Cream. I guess it's National Ice Cream Day or something. So instead of doing cars and coffee, I guess it's ice cream. It's kind of up by Detroit, so it's a little bit of a drive. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. As you guys can see, it is 8:35, so this is gonna be a great good morning to the neighbors. Alright you guys, like I was saying, we're on the way to pick up Dame right now. We're almost there, then we're gonna meet up with Zach at the gas station, then head to Meyer to meet up with everyone else. So I'll catch you guys when we get there. Alright you guys, as you can see, we just made it here. I'm tired as hell. My allergies acting up, so my eyes are a little fucked up. We got damn near everybody here for real.
Let your allergies go away.
We got the Scat, Daytona, Vet, Camaro, 300, Hellcat, Beamer. Yeah, we got a good turnout, but we're gonna go ahead and get out of here in a second. We're running kind of late, so I'll catch you guys on the freeway.
Oh, that wasn't even him, it was Zach. Oh, so it's my turn now?
Yeah.
We always got that Karen.
Tay's recording it too, that's funny. You about to try to cut right, watch.
In a fat ass truck. That bitch can only go 90.
Don't make me about to play with a Ferrari. Come on, buddy, come on!
Damn, that bitch is tough. Can't hear that bitch.
Oh, I want it so bad. Come on.
Hours later.
Damn, we came to the right spot, don't cap.
They got some shit.
Alright y'all, we just made it to the meet. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch busting. We're a little late too. Man, this is like that.
That bitch is tough.
Lambo. Alright, we're about to see a lot of cars today, gang. My twins. My nephew. bro. Alright, y'all, as you can see, we made it to the meet. There's a lot of cars, so we'll definitely be getting a lot of content today. We got everybody all lined up. Swing right here. Scat pack. Yeah. Damn.
If I'm not mistaken,
That's hard.
no, it's not. It's nasty. Oh
ZR1.
bro,
See-through hood.
C6s, yeah, I did it. C6s is definitely deep.
This is hard. What is this? A 350? Oh shit. We got a cat. And he got the baby seat. He got 2 babies and it's manual.
He got 2 car seats?
He is pimping, bro.
He got
And
2
it's
car
manual.
seats.
Look at that shit.
Oh my god, he do.
Oh my god! Wow!
We got the red shit over here. We got the Ferrari. We got Josh's Lambo.
I would definitely pick this. Oh, you get down. Which one you picking if you had to pick?
Look at these vets. Got the GT. Bro thought he had no fall damage. Wide body TA. Look just like Reek. That's how Reek's car is gonna look with a wide body. You got the rock guards too. We got a lot of mopars right here. Holy moly. We got a pimped out Mustang.
Very big windows.
1970.
Lamb. I'll have one of these one day. Damn. We got the SS. Intake, all that good stuff.
All the carbon fiber, let's run. Nah, this bitch.
Man, he even went.
I told everybody go to Dirty Dips. It's on eBay. Dirty Dips Hydro Grab.
We got another C8 Z06. This one looks like the Batmobile. I'm not gonna lie, I'd rock a Z06 C8. They're kind of like a supercar, but still a muscle car, but a sports car, supercar. You feel me? Got a pack of Corvettes coming through. You got the Demon. You got the Demon plate too. Look at this Lambo. M3, 5.0. There's a lot of cars out here, I'm not gonna lie. Another McLaren, big TRX, Ferrari. You got the Lamb. Another one. Damn.
Bro, if I'm getting this one, this is the spec.
Look at the carbon fiber on this McLaren.
I don't know. I think I like that one.
I don't know, I need a supercar later in life. These are hard.
Bro, shit, you hit somebody, drive over.
This bitch is bigger than Dame, and Dame is big, bro.
It's clean as shit. Everything.
I swear to God, I'll go catalyst. Next month.
Stop the cap.
Next month, catalyst.
So what, August?
Buy the part. I don't know if I'm
August?
going to install it in August. I'll buy the part.
August?
Yeah.
Shake on
Next month. Yeah.
Shake on it. Catalyst mid pipes
Catalyst
coming
mid-pipe.
August, early
Coming in
August.
Don't know if it's going to be installed in August.
Choppy. Bet. Alright, y'all. The camera ended up dying, so we're trapping off the phone now. I'm about to go throw this in the car. Alright, you guys, like I said, my camera died, so we're off the iPhone now. About to just chill for a little bit and see what else is going on. So we just left the meet. We ended up going to Five Guys to get some food. As you can see, we got the cars all lined up, about to eat good. Hopefully nobody get arrested this time. Alright, you guys, we're leaving Five Guys now. We just got some food. About to head back to Jackson if you can even hear me. Talk. I'll catch you guys there. Alright you guys, we just made it back to Jackson. It was a pretty good meet, as you can see. Made it back on one piece. Everyone kind of split up, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.